Okay guys, so okay, I just found out earlier this morning that I'm pregnant. I haven't told Ryan, and I'm going to tell him really soon, and I'm freaking out. I was so shocked. I was shocked. I mean, all week I've been nauseous and I've been feeling a little bit off. Actually, it's been the past 2 weeks, so I kind of knew something was up. But I confirmed this morning. I took 2 tests. They both came out positive, so I'm pregnant. Okay, I'm so excited. We are right now in the midst of like leaving for a trip, so I'm just gonna tell him to come upstairs and help me with something. Hopefully he just flows with it, because sometimes he doesn't. But I'm gonna call him up here and surprise him. This is what's on the bed, so when he walks in, this is what he's going to see. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's not focusing. Well, yeah, there it is. Okay, I don't know where he is. It looks like he's out there helping somebody with something. Oh, oh. Are you serious? What? Does he know? No. That's why you wanted the camera? I know, I gotta hold my tears. The heck? You're gonna be a Yummy.
Babe?
Yeah?
What do you need?
Can you come help me real quick?
You are?
Yes.
I'm gonna have a baby.
I know.
That's crazy. Wild baby. How about that?
Be a dad.
That's crazy. So, I literally at the coffee shop, I was like, oh baby, I can't wait to have a baby. So that's a good joke.
How do you feel?
Obviously happy.
Quería decirte que estoy embarazada. Así que vas a ser abuela.
Eso pensé cuando llegué. ¿Qué me ibas a decir por ese vestido? Ajá.
Solamente quiero que sepas que estoy embarazada.
¿Qué?
Que estoy embarazada. Que vas a ser abuelo.
Milka, son mentiras, ¿eh?
No estoy echando mentiras.
¿En serio?
Yes. ¿Cómo te sientes? Que vas a ser un abuelo.
Más viejo.
So, we wanted to tell you that we're pregnant.
Wow. That's cool.
How do you feel about the fact that you're gonna be a grandpa?
I like it.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
How do you feel about becoming a grandma?
I think it's awesome. I've been waiting for this my whole life.
Aww.
I'm just not getting used to being a dad.
So, I'm pregnant. We are pregnant.
What? For real?
Yes.
Wow. I didn't know she was gonna tell you, but
my gosh.
And I'm pregnant. By the way, we're pregnant.
Are you really?
Wait! Okay, wait, shut up, Milka! Shut up, Milka!
Well, we are pregnant.
Oh my gosh, that's so exciting! I told you this morning.
I knew it. This is why you keep giving us words. I knew it.
So we are pregnant.
Do not record me right now.
I looked at your stomach before you said that. You guys are trying to kill me this week.
Milka, I'm not kidding. I told him this morning. I was like, I know it.
Are you
It's a lie! It's a lie! It's not a lie. You're dead serious? Are you lying? No.
So, we're pregnant.
I thought so when you said you didn't feel it. I'm pregnant. What? No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's so crazy!
One thing Ryan and I want to share is that we are pregnant. So we're pregnant. Yay! We want to tell you that we're pregnant. One, 2, 3. We're pregnant!
For the record, I know I'm standing by her, but not me and her.
What took you so long?
Congratulations.
We were just cuddling.
I knew it! Oh, I'm so sorry. I knew it. No, I did. Oh, this is so great. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so... I love you too. You gotta shut that off so I can... I'm gonna.
It's the last flippin' day the Rhodes live in Columbus. The tears have been cried, the moments have been had, the baptisms have been baptized, and now it's time to head them up and move them out.
And we're pregnant.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
You're joking.
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! That's amazing. Get over here.
Milka's gonna be a mom.
Okay, so Ryan, I want to let you guys know that we're pregnant. That's so cool!
Oh my god!
That's
You want to nervously laugh for
That's crazy!
I'm crying. Oh my gosh.
Are you serious, bro? Oh my god.
Oh, that's a big
You
deal.
guys are gonna make great parents.
Are you gonna name the baby Seattle? What?